Let's have a look at different formats for delivering learning content. We use a matrix with two juxtapositions each for time and place. For the timing, this means the students are either consuming the content at the same time as it is being delivered, or they are consuming it whenever it best fits their schedule. And for the location where they are consuming the content, the students are all meeting at the same place, for example, the classroom at the university. Or else, they can participate from wherever it is convenient for them. The traditional presentation takes place at the same time and at the same place. If you are not in the room on site, or you visit it at a later time, you will not be able to hear nor see the presentation. The phone call is that typical example of an event that only works when the participants are attending at the same time, but they are not in the same place. And for the written communication in the form of a letter or an email, the parties do not have to meet at the same time or in the same place. And finally, what would be an example for a communication at a particular place, but at any time convenient for sender or receiver? Typically, this is the bulletin board. The message is visible only to readers who pass by. However, this can happen at any time. Now that we have found examples for each one of the four quadrants, let's have a look at some of the characteristics in the typical event as opposed to a virtual event. Let's start with body language and eye contact. You can only experience these in an event where your audience is physically present, both at the same time and in the same place. For emotions, you can get a feeling for it observing the body language in personal gathering and some of it via the voice. In a phone call, I can get a sense for a joyful smile or for sadness in the voice of my dialogue partner. The privacy of writing a letter provides the opportunity to reflect and only express thoughts when they are well considered and mature. Very spontaneous reactions can only occur in open situations where I feel safe. It is likely they would occur in a phone call. In a larger group, the participants would have to be encouraged to do so. And even then, it is not sure that this kind of spontaneous expressions would occur.